Aerotherm, the revolutionary aircraft engine heater, the fastest and most thorough electric heater available. We make fast, effective, and efficient aircraft engine preheaters. All of our heaters are thermostat controlled, can be left unattended, reduce condensation, have a 3-year limited warranty, and are made right here in the USA. Our top-of-the-line model can have your aircraft ready to go in as little as 30 minutes. Based on the same simple principle as your home thermostat, all Aerotherm models are equipped with a thermostat, allowing you to leave the unit unattended. Simply land, attach your heater to your aircraft, set the thermostat to your desired temperature, and your airplane will be ready to go when you decide to fly again. They work by continuously recycling the same air in the engine compartment, evenly and consistently raising the engine and its components' temperature. Our new carrying case is compatible with any of our line of Aerotherm heaters. The Alien X Turbo is the only model that currently comes with the quick hose disconnects and a custom carrying case. However, these can be ordered separately for any of our models. The Aerotherm RCS. Activate your Aerotherm heaters remotely. Finally, an easy, safe, and reliable way to activate your Aerotherm heater or any electrical device without driving to the airport. Simply text the RCS and it will activate your Aerotherm. The RCS will return a text verification so you know the command was accepted. Arrive at the hangar and your airplane is preheated and ready to go. No waiting.